Hi, so I'm apartment hunting, and the original apartment I was supposed to have, I know it's not a problem, but it's a iffy problem to me. The original one that I had slayed out and put it rent down and stuff like that, it's not available because the tenant doesn't want to move out. So now I'm stuck with two options. I can either have a better view like this and have a better layout like this and more, or I can have a sucky view with this layout, of course, so it'll still be the same, and have like a crappy view in like the sun either, because like I'm looking at the aspect of like me filming and stuff like that, and it's going to be like much better if I do it here because of the layout of the sun. So even with this definitely has a better view. I don't know, so but basically I can get like a good view when I'm like up, you know, on the rooftop and stuff like that. So I really don't know. And it has like a layout and stuff for the like a walk-in closet, which I like. And the other one has a tub. This one has a stand-in, which is that's not a problem. And this has a built-in desk, so that's even like good too. So I had everything set up, so hopefully everything would go my way when it comes to these things. But okay, bye. I just want to check in because I know I haven't been here in a while. But this is what I've been doing the last couple months. I've been working my butt off and been doing all this. So. This is like my first time vlogging in a while, so bear with me while I try to get my bearings up. I'm doing a lot of renovations now and stuff, and just like, not renovations, just updating stuff like that. So this is the lights that I got set up here, as you can see. So it's like a vanity backlight. It's really cool. I'm gonna do it now on the, so that's a little sensor here, so turn on. So I usually keep this to the side, but like at night I put it up there when I go through, like, come on. But like I did this by myself, it was very easy. So now I got the warm set, and I'm going to put it on my kitchen here. So basically everything is like light everywhere. But so they have little sticky tabs on them, and then once you guide through, as you can see, the little copper things where you can cut. So you can cut that part and you can just layer it and stuff like that. So like I said, I'm not really good at doing like these fast things and like all that other stuff. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more of DIYs like this, because like I don't know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing, but I don't know how to like explain it. But I'm gonna get it set up around here and let you know how it is when I finish. And yeah, oh my god, so look how sexy as if this is so sexy. Everything's so coordinated. I got my Louis Vuitton candle, which I've used, which I should have done the thing earlier, and that's like my other half-wick Yankee and stuff. But all of this is so nice. I love it. So like I said, let me know in the comments if you want to see more of this. I will say this, the pro about this one is like, oh, look how it is on the glass. So it's very seamless, even though it's like dotted like that. I was trying to make it look like the one I have here. So the one with the sensor, look, it looks like the vanity. So you can see like all the spots and stuff, but if you go like a little bit out, it looks more, I guess you can say, whole somewhat. I don't know. I definitely, if you would have told me like out of the two and stuff, I like the one in the bathroom because of the convenience, I guess you can say. But this one has a whole like beam look, like it's actually installed into the thing. The only thing, you know, there are pros and cons. Of course, that one has the wire, if you can see right over here. We'll try to taper down and stuff. The clips really didn't work on that side, but it's fine. I'm not too worried about it. And then like the other chain is bulky too. But that one, like I said, the one in the bathroom is wireless and it's a sensor. So that's what I like about that. So with this one, I have to click it on and off. But like I said, it is gorgeous. Okay, so right now I am attempting to make my, I guess you can say, well-known vegan pork sliders. I'm gonna make some pork tacos actually, and then do some other things. But this this is here. This is a oyster mushroom. It has like a meaty taste to it. That's why it kind of tastes like pork. So I always like shred it up like in, you know, in a jerk style. And just drizzle with cayenne pepper and then salt, pepper, and all the other seasonings. And also put olive oil on it. But it tastes just like meat basically. I know it looks kind of weird. It looks like a alien brain tumor thing, but it's really good. A lot of these mushrooms have like a mimic of like meat. There's also like hen of the woods. Those are really good. And then oyster mushrooms too. You can make those into bacon slabs. So those are really fun there. But like I said, I'm just shredding these up so I can get these, you know, grated and what somewhat. All right, so what's up guys? So I'm making some margaritas. I got the agave margarita mix here. I got it at Whole Foods with limes and lemons and stuff like that. And then I got these from the thrift store. I got a set of 4. They're super cute. I love them. I think they're hand blown. They haven't been used before. That's why I kind of grabbed them. I had to get them. I was like, this would be great for when I have like Taco Tuesday night invite friends over. And this is sugar, by the way. I know it looks sus. Kind of hard doing all this at the same time. Cheers to me and all my hard work and doing. And it's getting ready to snow. It's not snowing now, but it's going to snow, which I am not excited for. But isn't that right, Coco? He's eating. I know I hadn't formally introduced you to my little baby pet, but I will soon. All right, so I'm gonna clean all this mess up and enjoy my little drink here. This is my get out gear, so that way I can do errands and stuff. I like being comfortable when I'm doing my errands, so you know, all black, Yeezys, things like that. And these are the cloud ones, by the way. I'm very comfortable. I haven't worn these in a while. I have too many shoes, so now I'm becoming like a shoe whore now, which is not good. But anyway, I'm still coming along with the apartment because, like, you know, this is a vintage lamp, so I have to get a vintage shade, which are hard to find. I've been thrifting and looking at stores, but I can't find one. I guess I'm going to show you around what I'm doing here, and then like I'm getting my TV put up on Monday too. I'm just over here making TikToks, everyone. Hi! She's flexing on my bags. No, this is your stuff. You making out with my bag, bitch? You're so gross.
Wait, it's not bad.
It's not bad. It's okay. You look weird.
Maybe it's just not this bag.
Maybe it's not this bag. Like, maybe it's not this bag. I don't know. And let me show you my fridge. I have mostly water, so I have like the Liquid Death. I know it looks like beer, but it's all right. It's not kicking it as I want it, but Perrier is always a good thing. And then like San Pellegrino, I really don't like. I love San Pellegrino. I don't like the bottle one, so I prefer glass. Like, you know, get these and stuff. But they ran out when I went to Sam's, so of course, I had some company over, you know, drinking like hard seltzers, stuff like that. I couldn't figure out why, but I got my milks, almond milks, things like that, lactose. Of course, you know, margarita. I got some more candy, so I'm gonna alternate candies. I think this is mostly licorice. I got this from Amazon. So I'm gonna do mostly of those. In my freezer, except for this pitiful egg roll and mango Talenti. Mr. Coco. See, he knows his name now. First he didn't. He would just respond to my and come here. Trust me, he looks innocent right now, but he is a handful already. Isn't that right, Bubby? He seemed like he's having fun with it. I really just got it because, like, you know, my back and such is such a chore just sweeping, and it feels like I have to sweep this every day since it's like all wood floors and stuff, because I have nothing carpet except for the rugs here. Because I just put like a bunch of cereal on the floor just to test it out. I promise I did not make this mess. I'm not like that much of a child. But I do want to see how it cleans up. Oh, that's really good cleaning like big gummy snacks and stuff. And just kind of move them out of the way. But the little small pieces like the Rice Krispie treats are being picked up very nicely. It just takes a minute for it to get around. Because I end up like, you know, putting trash in my bed, and that's not good and stuff. So I think I'm gonna get like a carpet or rug to go down here and stuff to like just trash dust or whatever. Because I never really had a like I said, a full floor set like this. You having fun, Coco? He's like, no, I don't know what this is. My Saturday, just day drinking. Not too much day drinking, just had a little cocktail and stuff, you know what. Anyway, so I'm going to show you a cocktail that I'm making. So this is my sake rice wine. And I'm just going to put a little Sprite, because you'd be like, oh, well, it sounds gross. No, it's actually gross for spite. Oh, I never tried it straight up like this. The other one I had last time, just in the earlier vlog or in this video, I hadn't decided which one yet. It's more potent, but you can drink this one straight up, which is good. I'm still gonna mix it with the little bit of Sprite cans I do have left in the fridge, so I'm not gonna get too carried away. What you doing, buddy? He's always into something. I cannot tell him anything. Like, they were telling me, they were like, oh, give him a couple months and stuff. But usually, I remember when I had my first baby, Sonny, he wasn't like that. So, I don't know, because he's half Persian. I don't know, I haven't figured it out yet, but he's whatever. I trimmed his nails earlier, so, like, they're not as catastrophic. No pun intended. But, he's just getting scratches everywhere. Isn't that right, buddy? Where you at, buddy? He was like, why are you being nice to me on this camera? You're such a liar, you bad mom. But it's nice today. I think spring's coming earlier, like settling or something like that. So I'm not like really too like keen about that, but it's nice. It's nice. I had like somewhat of a lunch, or I would say dinner. I would say I had like a little mint snack upstairs. I had some Korean wings, and they're over there, so I'm looking at. I was thinking about throwing them over. I'm not gonna put my camera over there because my kitchen is kind of like a doozer right now with the drinks. I just had the BAP wings, and then their Philly steak cheese roll or whatever. You know, I don't eat red meat and stuff, which is gross, but I just took the meat to the side and stuff and just had just basically cheese or whatever. And that's like my little cheat week and stuff, because like I'm doing mostly vegan now and stuff, because like I'm doing vegan every day, and then like on weekends I just like kind of like do whatever and stuff. So I think that's like a good balance and stuff, especially when you're going from vegan. It's so difficult doing vegan, because I find that I have to consume my food like right then and now and stuff, because they tend to like get wasted easily if it's not frozen. But I want to chill out for the rest of this time, and I'll catch you guys later.